Hello students, here I Priya Satcher, your maths teacher, welcome you all in my online Pathshala for class 7th. Before I start, I would suggest you all to please like and subscribe this channel so whenever I upload my next video, you will get the notification for that. And while commenting, don't forget to share your name, class with section. And PDF of this chapter 1 integers is available in the home tutorial in the green box above the videos at gmps.org.in. Before starting the video, I request all of you to make the notes of these topics. If possible, please make one register in which do your home task on regular basis, as it will be checked and marks will be allotted for that. Now in the previous video you have done introduction to integers, integers on number line, absolute value of an integer, addition of integers, properties of addition, successor and predecessor. Now in this video I am going to discuss topics. First one is subtraction of integers, second properties of subtraction, third addition and subtraction together. So first we will revise addition of integers that you have done in previous video. In addition of integers, when you have to add two integers with same sign, plus plus or minus minus, then operation should be addition. You have to add those numbers. Clear? And sign assign according to the greater value of the integer. Clear? Next, when the signs are different, first number is positive, second is negative, or first is negative, second is positive. In that case, when signs are different, then operation will be subtraction and sign assign according to the greater value of the integer. For example, here I am taking two integers 9 and 4, both are of with positive sign. There is no sign, that means positive sign will be there. Clear? If both are positive, then operation should be addition. You have to add both these two numbers. 9 plus 4 is 13 and then sign assign according to the greater value. Which sign you have to assign? Positive, because 9 is greater than 4. So 9 is positive, 13 will be positive. Answer will be plus 13. Same as in second part, I have taken example as minus 9 and minus 4. I have taken two integers which you have to add, minus 9 and minus 4. Both are having same sign. For same sign, negative sign, operation should be addition. So you have to add these two numbers only. 9 plus 4 is 13 and then you have to assign the sign. So sign assign should be according to the greater integer. Which one is greater, 9 or 4? 9. So here see, 9 is with negative sign. So our answer will be with negative sign. So answer will be minus 13. Now in third part, I have taken one integer as positive 9 and other one as negative 4. Both signs are different, plus and minus. So operation should be subtraction. You have to subtract these two numbers. 9 minus 4 is 5 and sign assign according to the greater value of the integer. Which number is greater? 9 is greater. So sign assign will be plus, because 9 is with positive sign. Answer will be plus 5. In fourth part, I have taken minus 9 and plus 4. If you will add these two integers, both signs are different. So operation should be negative. You have to subtract the numbers. So when you will subtract the numbers, 9 minus 4 is 5 and sign assign according to the greater value. Here 9 is greater and sign in front of 9 is minus. So answer will be minus 5. Is it clear? Next topic is subtraction of integer, which is same as addition of integers. But one thing you have to just keep it in your mind, if A and B are two integers, then to subtract B from A, second number from the first number, we change the sign of B, we change the sign of the second number, and then we will add it to first number A. Clear? So here are some examples. If you have to find out the difference of 4 from 9, in order to subtract 4 from 9, we change the sign of 4. We change the sign of first number 4. Here 4 is with positive sign, then we have to write it with negative sign and add it to 9, and then we have to add it to 9. Now again, in this one thing you have to remember, that if in between two numbers two signs are coming, we can't write two signs coming together, so you have to convert these two signs into a single sign. For single sign, how to convert? Minus minus should be plus, plus plus should be plus, same sign plus sign, and the sign, if the signs are different, minus plus or plus minus, then minus plus minus, plus minus minus. This you have to just keep it in your mind. So here you have to change these two signs in a single sign, plus minus minus. 9 minus 4 is 5. Clear? Next is, if you have to find out the difference of minus 4 from 7, in order to subtract minus 4 from 7, we change the sign of minus 4. When you will change the sign of minus 4, it will come plus 4, and then we have to add with 7. So 7 plus 4 is 11. Clear? Now, if you have to find out the difference of 3 from minus 8, in order to subtract 3 from minus 8, we change the sign of 3 and add it to minus 8. When you will change the sign of 3, first number, it becomes minus 3, and then you have to add with minus 8. Now you can see here both the integers are negative. So for same sign, operation should be addition. You have to add these two numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11, and sign assign according to the greater value. Which one is greater? 8 is greater than 3. So sign assign should be negative because 8 is negative. Answer will be minus 11. Now minus 9 from minus 5. If you have to find out the difference of minus 9 from minus 5, in order to subtract minus 9 from minus 5, we change the sign of minus 9. Now we will change the sign of minus 9. Every time we are changing the sign of first integer. Clear? And then we will add it with the first that's after from that integer. So here, in order to subtract minus 9 from minus 5, we change the sign of minus 9 and add it to minus 5. When you will add with this number plus 9 with minus 5, then you can see both integers are coming with different sign. For different sign, operation should be subtraction. When you will subtract, 9 minus 5 is 4, and sign assign according to the greater value. Which one is greater? From 9 and 5, 9 is greater. So sign should be positive because here 9 is coming with positive sign. Is it clear? Now next topic is properties of subtraction. First one is closure property of subtraction of integer. In that, if we are subtracting two integers, then answer will be an integer value. For example, here I have taken two integers 12 and 5. If I am subtracting these two integers, answer is coming 7, which is an integer value. Same as in second part, I have taken two integers minus 18 and minus 13. If I am subtracting these two integers, first I have to change the sign because in between two numbers, two signs are coming together. Then first convert into single sign. So minus minus becomes plus. So minus 18 plus 13. Now different signs are there. One is of negative, other one is of positive. So operation should be subtraction. When you will subtract 18 minus 13 is 5 and assign according to the greater value. So greater number is 18. So sign should be minus 5. Sign should be minus because 18 is with minus sign. Answer will be minus 5. Therefore, the set of integers is closed under subtraction. Second property is commutative property of subtraction of integers. For any two integers a and b, if you will change the order of subtraction, answer will not come same. For example, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Answers are not coming same. So that property, commutative property, is not applicable for subtraction of integers. Now next property is associative property of subtraction of integers. Actually these two properties, commutative and associative, both are same. Commutative property is for the two integers value, but associative property is for more than two integers value. Clear? So now come back. For any three integers a, b and c, if we will change the order of the subtraction of the integers, answer will not come same. If commutative property is not applicable, that means associative property will also not applicable. Now for example, here I am changing the order. 7 minus 4 minus 2. I have grouped 4 and 2 with this bracket. So according to BODMAS, first we have to solve the brackets. Clear? So 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Here I have grouped 7 and 4. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Clear? So now you can see answers are not coming same. So associative property of subtraction is not applicable for integers. Now next property is identity property of integers. Before that, what is the identity property? An identity is a number. An identity is a number that when added, subtracted, multiplied or divided with any number allows that number to remains the same. Identity will be either 0 or 1 depending on the operation that we are using. Here we are doing subtraction. Clear? So for subtraction, identity is 0. That means that if we subtract 0 from a number, then the number will come itself. That is a minus 0 is a. Clear? For example, 3 minus 0 is 3. Minus 7 minus 0 is minus 7. Here, identity for subtraction is the number 0. That is also known as right identity of subtraction of integers. Now, why right identity? Because 0 I am taking on right hand side to the number. That is why this is called as right identity of subtraction of integers also. Clear? Now next topic is addition and subtraction together. Some points to be kept in mind while solving expressions containing various terms with plus and minus sign. Step 1 is write the expression whose value to be determined. Step 2, collect all the numbers with positive signs together and add them. And you have to add them. Step 3, collect all the negative numbers and add them. Then fourth step, find the difference of the absolute value of the two sums obtained in step 2 and step 3. Then you have to subtract these two numbers. And step 5 will be, then you have to assign the sign and assign according to the greater value of the absolute value. Clear? Now for example, if you have to find the value of minus 42 plus minus 31 minus minus 30 plus 45 minus 89, first you have to change these two signs in a single sign, plus minus 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 plus. Now rearrange positive integers together and then add 30 plus 45, 75 plus 75 minus 42 minus 31 minus 89. Now you can see in this all the integers are with the same sign, and with the same sign operation should be addition. Now you have to add these three numbers. 162 will come and sign a sign according to the greater number. 89 is greater, which is negative, so sign a sign will be negative. Now minus plus, for different sign operation should be subtraction. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. 162 minus 75, 87 will come, and sign a sign according to the greater number, which is 162, and sign is minus. Clear? Now in the second example, 98 plus minus 47 minus minus 14. Here again you have to change these two sign in a single sign, plus minus 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 plus, and then you have to add these same integers value. Clear? 98 plus 14, because these two integer having same sign, positive. 98 plus 14 is 112 minus 47. Now plus and minus having different sign. So for different sign, operation should be subtraction. You have to subtract these two numbers. When you will subtract these two numbers, 65 will come, and sign a sign according to the greater value. From these two numbers, 112 and 47, 112 is greater, and sign will be positive, because 112 will be positive. Your answer will be plus 65. Now I am answering your doubts which you were asking through comment box. That first question you were asking, that solve the following using number line. You have to solve these integers using number line only. So for that, first you have to change this two sign in one sign. So plus minus minus. So your question will be 3 plus 6 minus 5 plus 10, and you have to show this on number line. So first you have to represent a number line. You know that 0 is the origin, and from 0 right hand side positive numbers will come, positive natural numbers will come, and from left hand side negative number will come. Clear? So here every number's distance between should be same. Clear? And if you have to move here, if you will move to plus sign, with plus, if plus sign is there, then you have to move it on right hand side. Clear? And if negative sign is there, that means you have to move on left hand side. Clear? Now come to the question 3. So first you have to start with the origin. You have to step 3. You have to move 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3, you will come here. Then plus 6. Then you have to move 6 steps on right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because both are positive. Then you are moving to right hand side only. Now you reached on 9. Now from this point you have to move minus 5. Minus 5. That means you have to move back. Move to the left hand side, because minus sign is there. 5 steps. Clear? So now move back from this 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will reach at the point 4. Then plus 10. And now from 4 you have to move 10 steps on right hand side again, because 10 is with positive sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You will reach on 14. So your answer will be 14. Clear? Now next question you have asked, that how many integers are there between the given two integers minus 2 and 7. This also you can do using number line. Represent all the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on, and on left hand side -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now mark these 2 points -2 and 7 and count the numbers in between. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers are there. So your answer will be 8. Is it clear? Now I am giving you home task, because after understanding these concepts, I hope you will be able to solve these numericals. Clear? I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment box. Thank you.